What is decussation in sensory pathways? Imagine your brain as a busy control center, sorting signals from your body. But did you know that many of these signals cross over to the opposite side before reaching your brain? This crossing is called decussation. It happens at specific points in your nervous system, mainly in the brainstem or spinal cord. When sensory signals cross over, it means that information from the right side of your body is processed by the left side of your brain, and vice versa. Let's look at how this works with an example. In the pathway that carries fine touch, vibration, and position sense, nerve fibers from your skin and muscles first travel up the same side of your spinal cord. These fibers reach a part of the brainstem called the medulla oblongata. Here, the second set of nerve cells send their fibers across to the opposite side. This crossing point is the decussation. After crossing, the fibers continue upward as part of the medial lemniscus to reach the thalamus, a relay station in the brain. From there, third neurons carry the signals to the sensory cortex, where your brain interprets what you feel. This crossing is essential because it helps your brain organize sensory information correctly. It allows your brain to know exactly where sensations are coming from on your body. For example, if you touch something hot on your left hand, the sensory signals will cross over and be processed on the right side of your brain. This setup helps your brain coordinate responses and understand your body's position in space. Different pathways cross over at different points. The spinothalamic tract, which carries pain and temperature signals, crosses almost immediately in the spinal cord after entering. The dorsal column medial lemniscus pathway crosses in the medulla. This variation helps the nervous system organize and process different types of sensory information efficiently. Knowing about decussation is important in medicine because injuries or damage at these crossing points can cause specific patterns of sensory loss. For example, if a lesion occurs in the medulla, it might affect sensation from one side of the body, depending on which crossing point is involved. In short, decussation in sensory pathways is the way nerve fibers cross from one side of the nervous system to the other. This crossing ensures that sensory information from one side of your body is processed by the opposite side of your brain, helping you perceive and respond to your environment accurately.